Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know all of you have seen the thumbnail and must be very excited that how did I stay in Paris in a prime location for free for 5 days and there is no terms and conditions. I literally paid zero money. But let me get the story to that because of course like this trip was not sponsored or anything. But I'm going to tell you what I did and you can do that too. Number one, we have a Amex ka, number one, I have a Amex ka credit card, which is one of the best credit cards to be honest, and not really difficult to get as well. I mean, if you are a working professional, have a business or something, they easily give you the credit card, and in that credit card there is like that thing that like if there are milestones, if you have a milestone, let's say my milestone was I think 5 lakhs in a year, or I don't know, like somewhere around 4.5 to 5 lakhs. You can check their exact numbers on their website, but it's same for every card holder. I think it's the platinum card, the normal silver card that we have for Amex. It is same for all of us, and if you cross that milestone, they give you certain set of points. तो क्या हुआ था, like I recently booked my parents' tickets to Thailand. Then like these are the big expenses that I did from that particular card. Then I got a phone for my mom. Then whatever are my flight tickets, like my own tickets that I booked for Paris. Then every expense I used to do from that particular card, and that helped me gain and accumulate a lot of points over the last 2 years. So basically what these credit cards do is they have a partnership with all these big chains, let's say with Marriott, in which we stayed in, or with Vistara, or with these big hotel chains. And what you can do is you can get your points transferred from Amex to, for example, Marriott ka website, right? So for example, I stayed in a location in Saint Denis in Paris, and there was a very beautiful Marriott there. We instantly knew कि यार इधर ही रुकना है ना, and it was so pretty. The room was so spacious. We saw the prices; it was anywhere close to I think 150-200 euros per night, and we were like, it's a lot for Paris. It's definitely something that is like normal, but going from India it was a lot for us. It was like 16,000-17,000 rupees per night, but we really wanted to stay there. So dekha and see what can be done. Then we saw that there was an offer going on at that particular in that particular week, that if you are transferring your points from Amex to Marriott, you will get a 20% plus points. So like अगर आप कुछ 100 points डाल रहे हो तो 120 हो जाएंगे. तो I checked my card. I had anywhere close to I think 60,000 points, and then I think थोड़ा बहुत आगे पीछे था. But when we finally transferred those points to the Marriott account, it became 85,000, like X plus 20% when we transferred it to the Marriott account, and the hotel required 83,000 points for 4 days. तो 4 दिन हम लोगों को रुकना ही था. But in Marriott, if you guys must be knowing, if you are staying for 4 days, the 5th night became free. So that is how the 5th day happened, which was not actually planned, but like we thought, okay, we can explore other areas as well, other cities near Paris and everything. But yeah, that is how we transferred the whole points from Amex to Marriott, got 20% plus. We accumulated 85,000 points and got to stay in Paris. So of course we had to pay, like when we reached there, we had to pay something. I think it was 75 euros or something, like not even 75, I think like 40 euros, 40 to 70 कुछ तो था, that we had to pay for like the state tax, which you have to pay no matter wherever you go. And they kept around 200, which is around 20,000 rupees INR as a security deposit, which they gave us completely like 100% refund. refund, and that is how we got to stay in Paris for like just the tax we paid, and apart from that we stayed there for free, which was like a very very big saver for us. And yeah, I would like to and yeah, I just wanted to share it with you guys, like make good use of credit cards, like in today's world. I was like कि मेरे को credit cards नहीं use करने blah blah blah, but then I was like, oh, these cards actually have good benefits if you use them properly. तो मतलब 83,000 rupees वो 60,000 or 65,000 points से instantly नहीं मिल गए थे. I was accumulating these points for the past 2 years I think, and doing all the major expenses from this card. I did spend close to 5 to 7 lakhs you can say to accumulate these points, but it finally, you know, like that 20% boost thing came at the right price when I was looking to book the hotels, and that is how I got to stay in Paris for free. Let me know, and I am not definitely an expert or something or a finance guru, but I just wanted to share my experience, and maybe you guys would get benefited from your next trip. These offers, like, it is not just for hotel chains, it is for flight tickets, for these packages, or like when you go to the Amex ka website, there is like benefits ka section wherein you can see all of their partners and everything. But do look at their terms and conditions very very properly, because there has been mishaps before wherein I did not look at the proper terms and conditions, and I have landed into bad situations. So do confirm everything before we confirm with the hotel beforehand that, you know, we will not be paying anything. The money that you're keeping is just for security. Once they confirmed, we book the hotel. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.